Welcome to Yes Channel. Past simple irregular verbs. I bought a present yesterday. I didn't buy a present yesterday. I came to school last Saturday. I didn't come to school last Saturday. I did my homework at the weekend. I didn't do my homework at the weekend. I ate an ice cream last night. I didn't eat an ice cream last night. I went to the park yesterday. I didn't go to the park yesterday. I had breakfast at 7:30 today. I didn't have breakfast at 7:30 today. I rode my bike at the weekend. I didn't ride my bike at the weekend. I saw a giraffe at the zoo. I didn't see a giraffe at the zoo. I swam in a river last summer. I didn't swim in a river last summer. I took a bath this morning. I didn't take a bath this morning. See you again on Yes Channel. Remember to like and subscribe.